2:39 p.m. MDT June 30, 2024 tonight. A 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly before 8 p.m. Mostly cloudy, with a low around 67. South-southwest wind 6 to 9 miles per hour. Monday, a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms after 10 a.m. Partly sunny, with a high near 90. West wind 6 to 10 miles per hour, with gusts as high as 16 miles per hour. Monday night, partly cloudy, with a low around 63. Southwest wind 5 to 9 miles per hour, with gusts as high as 15 miles per hour. Tuesday, a 10% chance of showers and thunderstorms afternoon. Mostly sunny, with a high near 86. Calm wind becoming north-northeast 5 to 8 miles per hour in the morning. Winds could gust as high as 20 miles per hour. Tuesday night, a 10% chance of showers and thunderstorms before midnight. Mostly clear, with a low around 60. North wind 5 to 8 miles per hour becoming calm after midnight. Winds could gust as high as 18 miles per hour. Wednesday, a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms afternoon. Sunny, with a high near 91. Wednesday night, mostly clear, with a low around 59. Independence Day, sunny, with a high near 89. Thursday night, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms before midnight. Partly cloudy, with a low around 57. Friday, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms afternoon. Sunny, with a high near 83. Friday night, mostly clear, with a low around 58. Saturday, sunny, with a high near 91. Saturday night, mostly clear, with a low around 60. Sunday, sunny, with a high near 92.